Hello and welcome to Colors Crick Quiz 2020, brought to you by beverage partners Oasis Water and Lacnor, in association with Hardee's, Aldar Properties, and Bollywood Parks and Resorts. But this is a contest, and we need people to compete. And we have these teams. Wow, look at our lovely, lovely contestants. Fantastic. Look at them. Each one of them a champion in their own right, though I've never met them before in my life. Let's go straight to Team Green.
Hello everyone, meet my wife Dhara. She bowls over me with those stunning yorkers like Jasprit Bumrah.
Hello everyone. Today I have come to play those innings with my better half Prati. Just like MS Dhoni, he's calm, composed and the coolest captain of our house. Together we are Guju Strikers.
Wow. Also, he just called you Jasprit Bumrah, his wife.
Yes.
This is very confusing for me, but I'll move to Team Red.
Hi, meet my lovely wife Asha. I can say she is the Mr. Cricket of my house. She is as cool as Mahendra Singh Dhoni. But whenever we have any argument, she used to kick me out of the house with her boom boom helicopter shot.
Wow, your turn to reply.
Hi, meet my lovely husband Vijay. I can say he is the Nawab of my house. When I need something from him, I used to pitch him with the googly.
And
Together we are Boom Boom Sixers.
Here's what I've learned so far. He's married to a man called Jasprit Bumrah, who's his wife. It's a little confusing. And you are with Mr. Cricket, who's your wife. All right, no judgment. We move on to yellow.
Hi, this is my wife Tasmila. She is the captain of my home and she is a great cricket enthusiast.
Wow, too much emotion for me. Go on.
Hi, this is Praveen. He's an all-rounder and he is a die-hard fan of cricket. And together we are Team Challengers.
Yes, but is he a left-hander or a right-hander? Hai koi jawab? You don't even know that. See, some couples have to spend more time together than they are at the moment. But we are going straight into our googly round. Are you ready?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, let me quickly explain what this is. We'll begin with a shout out loud, which is one part of the googly round. I'll explain it. Listen, you get 45 seconds per team for the exercise. One partner will wear noise cancelling headphones. Can you show it, Team Green? Noise cancelling headphones. Okay, that'll destroy the sound completely. You can't hear a thing. Lots of heavy metal music playing in the background while your partner goes ahead and performs. Okay, the partner has to somehow get you to understand what the partner is trying to say. Alright, the partner can say anything and try everything they can, and there's a limit of 3 terms per team. 3 terms per team. If you correctly guess all 3 before 15 seconds, you get 30 points per answer. 20 points per answer if you correctly guess between 15 and 30 seconds, and 10 points per answer if it's from 30 to 45 seconds. Fairly simple. So, time for a high pitched and high octane shout out loud. Team Green, who is the opening batsman?
I'll come.
Excellent choice, excellent choice. She seems more confident. Okay, to the hotspot we go. Come here. We stand here. Ready? Is it on? Can't hear? Okay. On the count of 3. All right, 45 seconds. 1, 2, 3, go.
The wall. The wall.
Very good.
French cut. French cut.
Facelift!
French cut.
Fetch it!
Cleaned him up. Cleaned him up.
Keep them up!
Cleaned
Tip,
him
Api de, tip,
up.
Api de. Gimme, gimme.
Clean them up!
French cut.
Fetch it!
French cut.
Fetch it!
French cut.
Fetch it!
French.
12 seconds to go.
Cut.
Fresh it!
Clean him up.
Kick them up!
He said it.
Cleaned.
He said it. He said it. Okay. Keep going, keep going. One more. 3,
Cut.
2,
French.
1.
Catch it!
French.
Ah, time up, time up, time up, time up. Not bad, not bad. You want to
Yeah. French cut.
She put on French accent, dressed as a French lady in Paris. सब कुछ किया यार. और क्या करेगा लोग? Well done, well done. Big hand, come on, be sporting.
Thank
Well
you.
done, Team Green. Well done. Off you go, and bro, and we've got. Oh, let's go to the hotspot. Let's go to the hotspot. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, start.
Helicopter shoot! Helicopter shoot! Helicopter shoot!
Shot.
Helicopter shot!
Shoot किया तो helicopter गिर जाता.
Helicopter shot! Off the mark! Off the mark!
He is doing a ghazal in the background.
Off the mark!
Huh?
Off the mark!
Note कीचो at least. Note कीचो.
Off the mark!
You don't get angry, yaar. You can't hear.
Off the mark! Off the mark! Mr. Cricket!
जोर से
Mr.
Don't give galis. Control your emotions. She's doing her best.
Mr. Cricket.
10
Run
seconds.
out, run out.
Mr. Cricket. Cricket. Mr. Cricket. Off the mark.
5, 3,
Off the ground.
2, 1. Time out. I'll tell you one thing. ये मेरे ख्याल से I think you should get points just for entertainment. It was hilarious. Sir, what were you doing? You were just.
Off the mark. Mr. Cricket. Helicopter shot.
But ये helicopter कैसा होता है? इसका मतलब क्या है?
He told me.
Helicopter something like this, na? You're doing like this. This is more like Bhangra gone wrong. हाँ.
But he told me, she kicked me out helicopter.
हाँ.
I didn't understand.
After coaching, and you coached her and you didn't understand. अध्यापक के पास नहीं है दिमाग. Come on, let's go back. Well done. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Gale storm.
Covering your face.
Bill Scoop.
Gale storm. The oval.
Off-right.
The oval.
Huh?
Off-right. Standing ovation.
Off white.
Duckworth Lewis.
But where's the connection?
Gale storm.
Live Scoop.
Gale storm.
How did you ever get married? This communication is unbelievable.
Gale storm.
Telescope.
आप
Gale storm.
आप language बदलो. I don't think this English is working. और कुछ बोलो. But might as well because there's no connection.
Bill Scoop.
Gale storm.
Huh? What did you say? Something close you said.
Gale storm.
5,
Standing ovation.
4, 3, 2,
The oval.
1.
Oval. Oval.
No.
The oval. The
I
oval.
don't know.
The oval.
Okay, we'll give that in. Last ball pe she managed to put the ball into mid-wicket, stand for 6. You get oval. We'll find out the score. Well done. For the meantime, give a standing ovation to Gale Storm. Well done. Off you go. Quick recap. Green, 30 in this round. Red, you can guess your score. No point even talking about it yet, but you can come back. Yellow, 10. In the Googly round, we have our second part, which is where basically you do what I did in Shamak Dawar classes when I was a dancing master. Heads up. Okay. You'll get 45 seconds for heads up. It will test your understanding as a team. You got to guess the player. That's all there is to it. The name of the player will be written on a placard or card behind. The one contestant will be holding it. The other contestant will stand here, and basically, the person holding it has to guess. Okay? You can do anything. You can give any sort of clue about the player, such as batting position, bowling position, nicknames, figures, facts, anything. But you cannot give the full name. You cannot give the name. If you give the name, minus points immediately. All right? Pretty clear, pretty simple. Team Green में कौन है? Again?
Yes.
What a bully, yaar. उसको भी chance दे दो. You make him park the car far away, come late to the studio. He misses lunch, and now this. Come. You can take a look at it. It's that you can do. Yeah. He has to guess, so you can look. Arey Baba, they are not cards for a wedding. Just take 5. I'll die here in front of the entire team. And this is the first name.
Mr. 360.
You can hold it.
ABD Villas.
Be nice if you hold it.
Okay.
He said
correctly?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry. Next. Okay.
Indian bowler who currently took 4 wickets in Australia last ODI.
Mohammad Shami.
Very good. This team is on fire and there's still seconds to go.
West Indies. He's an all-rounder.
20 seconds remaining. You want to go to the next? Yeah.
His name is like we take the breathing.
Next.
Like, he took retirement right now. South African bowler. After World Cup, he took retirement. 38 years old. Fast.
Imran Tahir.
Yes.
Very good. 5.
Australian opener.
Time up. But they were good clues, yeah. They were good clues. Well done. Give Team Green a big hand. Big hand, Team Green. Ready? Take 5. Quickly. First 5, please. और हो गया 4 और हो गया 5. And you come to the hot zone. I'll rush, holding my pants since I don't have a belt. Time starts
He's
now.
an Indian cricketer.
Okay. Rohit Sharma,
No.
Go on if it's not happening.
Virat Kohli,
No.
MS
He's an
Dhoni.
Indian cricketer.
He can't name every cricketer for 40 years.
और hint दो.
आगे जाओ. It's not happening. You're wasting time.
Oh no.
Next.
Do something.
Yeah, some
Next.
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 Yeah, next. I
Next
don't
week
know.
cricketer है.
Yeah, next week cricketer hai, but I
Next.
don't
Say
anything
something.
no.
Say something.
Next.
Nothing. I don't know anything.
4 cricketers retired in 5 seconds.
Virat Kohli.
Australian.
Wapas pehla. Go back to 1.
Shane? No,
And
no.
time up. Time up. Time up.
Sorry.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए. Flight 714 from Dubai to Mumbai is cancelled. We regret to inform Team Red that you will not board the plane. And go.
He's a Pakistani player. His name starts with my surname.
Imran Tahir. No.
You don't know her surname?
His
What the hell is
name
going
starts
on?
with my surname.
What's your wife's
My
surname?
surname?
Syed Anwar.
No. Second part is wrong. First part.
I
is
want to do
right.
another show. This cricket show is not as much fun as the family show.
Come with other player's name. Pakistani player.
Now you want him to name all the Pakistani players.
My surname.
Next
First
one.
part is my surname.
Next.
Okay, next.
Okay. Next.
Next. He's an Indian bowler actually. What you say for heart in Malayalam is his first name. And his,
Hardik Pandya.
Oh yes. It's not just Malayalam, by the way. Huh?
and then he's also a
10 seconds remaining.
he's actually a Pakistani player again who took 50
Two.
wickets.
1.
Shahid Afridi.
Oh, sorry. But well done. You tried. I think you got 1. We'll find out in a second. Team Yellow, come back here. Audience, don't watch. Well, I'll have to walk like this now. For some reason. Which I can't mention because it's a family show. We put this here and we get back into position. Even Sachin Tendulkar used to do this before batting. A lot of this used to happen. So it's fine. And the scores. Team Green gets 30 in this round and they go up to 60 and marching ahead of the rest. Team Red, you're still in the game at 0. And Team Yellow, you got 10 in this round, 10 before, so you're 20. Alright, before we continue with the show, we have a little break. In that break, I will try and repair the pant situation. Not Rishabh pant, just my pant. Welcome back to Colors Cricket Quiz 2020, brought to you by Beverage Partners, Oasis Water and Latnor, in association with Hardee's, Aldar Properties and Bollywood Parks and Resorts. Time for us to go into Take Strike, but in Take Strike, we have a certain game which is called Point and Shoot. No violence, it's all fun. Here are the rules. Each team member will get 3 throws and every cone you take down, reverb, take down. You get 10 points per cone. No negative marks, guys, but if you manage to get at least 3, and we believe you won't, we're going to give you a bonus of 30 more points on completing of 3. Just 3, all right? So let's begin. Point and shoot. But I'll give you the dance for it. Point and shoot. Point and shoot. Point and shoot. You like it? Who's the dance champion? You? Ready? Team Green, who's coming up? We both have to come up, but come up together. 3, 2, 1, start. Oh, left-hander. और ये क्या किया? My God, you'll break the set. So much anger. Is this because of the marriage? Oh, thank you, sweetie. Wow, your score is 0 after 3. The good thing is he's got a lot of power, but no direction. Okay, stand by the crease. That was a little bit of a sort of leg break, I think, but at the end the ball didn't turn. Yes, but just stand a little bit behind the crease. Yeah, last one, 0 out of 5. Bonus is cancelled forever. And what a performance, Green. What a performance. Go back and practice at home. Every day when you wake up in the morning, take 6 tennis balls and try and throw it at some elderly relative's legs until you get it right. And let's move on to Team Red. You can get 90 if you get 6 and go in the lead. Sir, you're going first? All right, let's go.
Right?
Go. Oh, 2 inches. 3 inches. Come on! 9 balls have been thrown in this contest and not 1 cone has fallen. Please point and shoot. I like this technique.
Hey.
It took a young lady in a red outfit to teach you people how to play this game.
Oh.
Not bad, not bad. Last one, come on, at least you can get 20. Yes,
Yay.
oh, you nearly got 30. Nearly got the borders, it moved. Well done, Red, well done, well done. Who's going first, Yellow? All right. Perfect miss. Ricochet, fine. You get 10. Wow! That was a fabulous throw. Oh my, that's the, oh my God. Unlock the bonus already. This is huge in our competition so far. 60 points have been garnered by the gentleman on his own, which leaves a little pressure on you to take it further and run away from the pack. 4! My God! Oh. Oh, too good to be true, but 4. Well done, guys. Well done. With the bonus, that takes you to 60 points, right? In fact, I've just been corrected by my own mind. It's 70 points. So let's take a look at the scores at the end of round 2. Team Green is on 60 points. Superb score. Team Red, you're in the game at 20, but leading at 90 points is Team Yellow. We'll take a quick break. I'll massage myself because there's going to be a lot of tension, a lot of pressure in the last segment. Stay exactly where you are. Well done, Team Yellow, in the lead. Welcome back to Colors Cricket Quiz 2020. The action is hotting up here. But let me tell you that this has been brought to you by beverage partners Oasis Water and Lacnor in association with Hardee's, Alder Properties and Bollywood Parks and Resorts. And guys, great news. A brand new TV and ticket to Bollywood Parks and Resorts awaits the winner and the runner-up. So you have to fight like it's the last over of the World Cup of T20. All right, ready? So once again, let me tell you, this is the final over. And here are the rules. The team that hits the buzzer first gets to answer from a total of 10 questions. The team must answer within 10 seconds of hitting the buzzer. 10 points for every correct answer, but minus 5 for the wrong answer. The other teams can hit the buzzer if there's an incorrect answer, and the same rules apply to them. They'll get the 10 or they'll get the minus 5. All right, before we begin, there's a little thing, a little spin here, which is the one free hit option we've come up with. Before I'm about to ask the question, before I actually start, I'll say question 1, I'll pause for a second. In that gap, if you hit the buzzer, it's like you're taking a gamble. You take that gamble, you get it right, you get double points, like double jeopardy. But if you get it wrong, you get minus double points. So are we ready for the final over? 10 questions, we call it the corridor of death. Okay, question 1. Nobody. Which Indian and Mumbai all-rounder recently got engaged? Team Red was first.
Hardik Pandya.
Hardik Pandya. You went for the engagement?
No.
Would you have gone if he called you?
What I saw.
You saw the engagement?
I just heard the news.
Question 2. Here's a multiple choice question, so listen properly. What's the full form of the DLS method? Team Yellow. Now I can't give the options. You stop me. Sorry?
Duckworth-Lewis system.
This is the thing. It's if you had let me give the full option, but now I can't give the full option to anyone. Who hit the next? Let's give the. There was the second buzzer. I think it was Red. Red, come on.
This is Duckworth-Lewis system.
अरे भाई उसने कहा Duckworth-Lewis system, आपने कहा Duckworth-Lewis system में क्या फर्क है? Both get minus 5. Minus 5. Minus 5. The full form for Team Green only, if you're interested, is Duckworth-Lewis turn. Okay, question 3. Nobody. Who is the first Indian bowler to have taken 2 international hat-tricks?
Mohammad
Green.
Shami.
Huh?
Kuldeep Yadav.
No. Answered wrongly. And second answer is not allowed. Huh? Team Red.
Yeah, Kuldeep Yadav.
Kuldeep Yadav is the right answer. Did you go for his engagement?
No.
Why only Hardik Pandya and you didn't go for Kuldeep's? Isme kya, you didn't like the caterer?
He's
Caterer
not
was
getting
different.
engaged. No?
Okay. Question 4. Identify this cricketer. Listen. Coming in as a first ever concussion substitute in Tests. Team Red.
Marnus Labuschagne.
And you have pronounced it correctly as far as Australia is concerned, but not as far as South Africa is concerned. Marnus Labuschagne. He came in for Steve Smith at Lord's. He emigrated to Australia age of 10 in 2004. And his brother played rugby for another country. Very confusing. But we'll leave it there and go to question number 5. No one's taking the gamble. The Lifetime Achievement Award by the BCCI is named after which legendary Indian cricketer? अभी क्या हो गया? Only know this generation How can you know cricket without thinking of the past, the greats? Time up. The answer is Colonel C.K. Naidu. He was India's first ever test captain. Number 6. Nobody wants to take a chance. This is the only way you can win if you're in the 3rd position. Sir Don Bradman wasn't just great at cricket but also excelled in another sport. After winning the South Australian Amateur Championship in 1930, he said the following about that sport. It improves footwork, I'll say it in his accent. It improves footwork, balance and suppleness and develops ball sense. Name the sport. Come on guys, it's fairly simple. You've not read The Art of Cricket or Farewell to Cricket? Every cricketer must read these books by Don Bradman. Time's up. The answer is squash or squash. In Punjabi, say squash, so I get confused sometimes. Oh, squash khelta hai, nahi khelta hai. Oh, tennis khelta hai, tennis khelta hai. It's very confusing. Number 7. Here's one multiple choice question for you guys, so listen carefully. Who led India to their first ever victory in a one-day international? Ajit Wadekar, Sunil Gavaskar, S. Venkatraghavan, Kapil Dev Nikhanj. And the answer is Team Red.
Ajit Wadekar.
Incorrect. Zindabad. Anybody else? No? Time's up. And the answer is Srinivas Venkatraghavan, who once bowled to me also. Well, he didn't ask me for water. He thought I was a waiter. Question 8. Before 2020, which team has won the most number of under-19 World Cup titles? Come on, guys. Now what happened? Take a chance. And time's up. And the answer is India. 2000, 2008, 2012, 2018. So India is the right answer, folks. Question 9. Closing in towards the... Oh. Team Red took a chance. Time for the dance. This is the dance when you take a chance. The chance dance. Dance chance. You get the first bite of the cherry. Go ahead. Whose controversial ricochet throw saw England being awarded 6 runs at the ICC Men's World Cup final last July?
Throw name I need to recognize.
The player who threw the ball, yeah, uska naam kya hai bhai? Like Bunty, Bablu, Jaju. So what is his name?
It is Martin
Okay.
Guptill.
That's right. Martin Guptill is the right answer. I think you made it just, he squeezed it in just in the nick of time. I'm checking with the judges who are in my ear and now move to this ear, now in my brain, and they say yes. Well done, Red. Well done. Took a chance and came out fighting, and actually this was pulsating right at the end. 20 points. Well done. You may be in the game, who knows. Question 10. The Whispering Death bowled to the Little Master and was caught by the Big Bird. Who are the cricketers in question by their nicknames?
Can you please repeat?
Green pressed it? Green.
Alan Donald.
No, I want to say this.
But he's already... We'll come back to you and give you a chance without points if nobody gets it. Yellow?
Michael Holding.
Before I reveal it, I'm going to give green a chance. Holding is right for Whispering Death. Who's Little Master? The lady seems to know. Little Master is who?
Sachin Tendulkar.
No points to be awarded, but it's wrong. Little Master is Sunil Manohar Gavaskar. Any child in Mumbai will know that. Any child of 40 plus like me. But Joel Garner is Big Bird.
Yeah.
These are, how can you make these mistakes here? And we're not allowed to punish you with real punishments. I asked them. Sorry about it. But you've been fantastic. It's been a really close contest. Who's won? What are the scores? What scores, ladies and gentlemen? It breaks my heart to actually say it because it's really close. Close finish. And I feel it's sad that only one will win the final television and only the runner-up will be one person. Third will not get anything. But this is the way it goes. And Team Green, you get -5 in this section, but you get 55 total. Hang on. Team Red, you got 40. 40 in this section and 60 total. From 0 after halfway stage. Team Yellow, -10 in this round when you were leading all along. Which means what happens in the end? You still win. That's a googly. Well played, well played. Okay, let's clap for a runner-up. Team Red, come here and get your prize. You won 4 tickets. 4 tickets to Bollywood Parks, Dubai. The first and only theme park showcasing blockbuster Bollywood movie-based rides and shows. Come close, come close. Smile for the camera. Pick up your coupon. Pick up your coupon, Baba. वो coupon है, वो मेरा script है. Oh my God. Education कहाँ से किया? Are you a metric pass? Tell me everything. But they are the runner-up. Give them a big hand. Team Red, coming from behind, doing very well. Well done, guys. And look what the winners get. This 55-inch Ultra HD screen TV. It's a smart TV for smart people. The smartest on the show today. Come on, Team Yellow! Everybody. Team Yellow, Team Yellow, Team Yellow, Team Yellow, Team Yellow. And the prize is packed in a sort of yellow-green. So it's almost the same. Come. Well done, guys. Well done. And you also get this trophy. The rolling trophy of the champion of the Colors Cricket 2020. Smile for selfie. And now, let me tell everybody out there, we'll be back with lots more next week. Action-packed, it's quiz, it's fun, it's talking, it's banter. But we leave with two of the most powerful representatives of the cricket fraternity, the fans. And they will show you their expert knowledge as we say bye to you. Can you show the square cut? Can you show the late cut? Can you show how to field that forward short leg? Give me everything. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.